Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 Multiair engine, guys, and you're trying to find the timing marks or how to install timing chain, stay with us guys, and we're going to cover that today from start to finish. If you want to see how to replace the chain, we'll have the video on the channel. It's very long, very detailed video, guys. It will explain everything that needs to be done. Now, to replace the chain, guys, you do not need to remove the engine while we have the engine out, because we will have, guys, more than 100 videos on that engine alone, and that way we can show you with a great detail where the different components are, how to remove bolts, where they are, and how to replace every item on that engine. So in addition, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's go ahead and show you what needs to be done now, guys, okay, to install your timing chain and what your timing chain marks are on that 2.4 Multiair engine. First, if you need to buy, guys, chain or anything like that, tools that we use, you can find the link in the description of the video below. We'll have the parts and the tools that we use as well. You have two chains now. One is going to the oil pump, okay, that's your oil pump and balance shaft right here, and one is, guys, okay, one is going from the crankshaft to the camshaft, and we'll explain now what needs to be done. Now this chain right here, guys, okay, that little bitty chain, okay, you need to, this is for the oil pump, you need to install the yellow link, okay, on the tooth, okay, on that tooth with the hole. So let's do this one first so we can show you, okay. Check it out now. Right there, that yellow link with the tooth with the hole. Next, what do we need to do, guys? Okay, we need to get that plastic cover that's for the oil pump, if you've removed it. We need to, guys, get the gear for the oil pump. Check out the gear now. It has, okay, let me focus one more time. Okay, that tooth, okay, it's not marked, but it has a, you can see it has a groove. We marked it white so you can see a little bit better. Go ahead, align it with the other yellow tooth. Okay, and now you need to, guys, go ahead and get it on the oil pump. Perfect, just like that. You can see both teeth matching there. We'll get this one tight. Now, what else we need to do here, guys? We need to install the cover for the oil pump later. We need to install our timing chain guide and our timing chain tensioner arm for the oil pump. If you guys want to find the torque specs or anything like that on that engine, guys, we'll have a video that explains the torque specs. Check it out. We're planning on making it soon. So most likely by the time we upload that video, the other one will be ready too. Okay, this is the tensioner arm. Now we need to get the tensioner, but we need to get a needle, okay, to compress that thing. So we'll need to get a small needle. I'm going to show you, and we're going to compress it. So, okay, if you get a small needle, guys, or a pin, compress it. Okay, push it in, it's going to hold it there. The new ones will come with the needle installed, but sometimes you can accidentally remove it, so you know how to compress it. Now all we have to do, install these two bolts. Okay, perfect. Now get them tight. Pull that one. We need to get the pliers to pull it out of the way because it got a little bit stuck. Or if you just apply just a little bit of pressure here with the screwdriver, it's going to release it as well. Okay, you can pull it by hand now. Perfect, now let go. And that chain is installed now, guys. We need to go to the next chain. This is from the crankshaft, okay, to the camshaft. But before that, let's put that cover, not to forget. Because later if we put the oil pan, we will not be able to install that cover. So, to do both timing chains, you need to remove the oil pan as well. If you just do the crankshaft, camshaft timing chain, you don't need to remove the oil pan. Perfect. Now, we get the sprocket for the second chain. Okay, we align this one. Now we are going to grab the chain. Now you need to, guys, make sure that you're at TDC point, top dead center. So let us show you now how to do that. Okay, you gotta make sure that the engine is at TDC point at that point now, putting it together. Okay, you grab the cover, you push it in, you're going to install your pulley, okay, your crankshaft pulley, so you can verify TDC point. Okay, perfect, like that. Okay, now this is the TDC mark on the timing cover. This is on the crankshaft, so we need to turn it. If you don't have the spark plugs, you can usually turn it pretty easy. Okay, right there on the spot. So we can go ahead, remove that one now. Okay, it gets stuck towards the end, so I need to grab it with two hands. Perfect. And we can pull it out. So that's TDC point, guys. Now, it was a TDC when we removed it, but it's easy sometimes just to remove it, to move it a little bit clockwise or the other way, guys. Just when we remove the chain too. So now the yellow tooth, guys, goes on that tooth. Okay, the yellow link goes on that tooth with the hole, and on top, guys, the red link will go, okay, right there. You can see we marked it white, but usually, okay, it just dent there, you cannot miss it, and install it there. Now you will need to, guys, okay, no, it's not in, you need to make sure that it's in. And if you cannot come in, what you have to do on top, you need to grab the camshaft just a little bit right here and move it clockwise. Okay, let's see if that's enough now. Yep. That's it. So, next, we need to install our bolt. Perfect. Now, guys, okay, you're just going to pull it on this side, the chain, to be loose, so we can install the timing chain guide. Perfect. And after that, we need to install our timing chain tensioner arm and the tensioner itself. So we're almost done with the timing mark, guys, and installing the chain. Okay, perfect. This one is started now. Okay, next what we need to do, we need to compress our timing chain hydraulic tensioner. Okay, install the pin. Okay, we pull it like that so it can get the slack out of the chain, and we're going to install the tensioner now. Perfect, guys. Release it. Now pull the arm until you hear a click out of the tube. Make sure that you cannot pull it more without breaking it. And this is, guys, pretty much the timing mark. So now if you come here, guys, check out what we have on top. Okay, we have that tube that was, you can see it's engraved in the, okay, now you can see it a little bit better, in the camshaft right here, this tube with the orange link. On the bottom we have the tube with the hole, goes with the yellow link, and oil pump, we already explained that one. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.